trying to figure out our place in this system. And what separates us from them, the four lovely little birds right there, is that we have the capacity for higher conscious thought.
Okay.
Like I said, we're born with 1,000 years of history.
Buddha.
You didn't come from nothing. You didn't come into nothing.
I believe you are more Buddhist than something else.
More Buddhist?
Yeah.
I don't like to put titles on anything. I'm just me.
You're like a Buddha.
Just me.
You like to fuck yourself for money. Don't you?
No. More money, more honey.
You fuck you, bitch.
You know, you can learn a lot from just observing these creatures.
Really?
Absolutely.
What thought you have when you just look at them just now?
I don't think. I just record.
Record?
Yeah. I try not to think. There's no need to think sometimes. Just watch and learn. Watch and learn.
Yeah.
Most people don't watch. Most people don't even see. Remember what I said about being activated?
Yeah.
Most people are not activated.
Okay.
And they've never stopped
Okay.
to watch
Okay.
and learn.
Okay. So yeah, you tell me a good thought. Yeah.
So the spirits, in summation, the spirit. Humanity is on a constant assault on its spirit.
Okay.
Constant, from every angle.
Okay. So, who teach you that? Your father, your mother,
The universe.
the universe? Yeah, the universe.
The universe has taught me everything I know.
All the video spirit.
Well, the spirit is within. The spirit is within everybody. You remember I told you the biggest secret they've been hiding from everyone is that you are, in fact, you are the center of the universe.
Okay.
Like this guy. Take a look at this guy, okay? You think he's thinking to himself, hey, what do you think he's thinking? Give us a narration of this guy.
I think this chicken is very good and nice that you're gonna eat well this day, and then the other day is gonna be greater than today.
You think he's thinking all that?
Yeah. Man.
Okay. And this guy.
This guy thinking it's very good. You're gonna make love to this one there.
He's gonna make love to this one?
Yeah.
These two are lovers?
Yeah.
Cool.
And tomorrow you're gonna make love to another one, and then
Okay.
fuck this one the next day, and then the other day it's gonna be the other one.
Well, that's it. I like to observe
Yeah, sure.
and I like to watch because what you're looking at right there
Spirit.
is the spirit of the universe
Spirit.
at work